Nice guys. Did they get hit by the volcano?
Yeah. Wanna go board them?
Oh, probably. Oh, can someone shoot me out?
Yeah, I'll do it.
Yeah.
Oh, I just got killed.
Me too, bro. Me too.
Yeah, the volcano hit us.
Can you res us? Monkey?
Yeah, Monkey, you have to repair ship.
I got. Monkey, repair the ship. Repair the ship. No point.
I'm trying to find where to repair it.
Are we hit though?
Yeah. Can we us?
Yeah, we're hit.
We're not hit.
Oh,
Do we have water in the bottom deck?
No.
No, we have nothing. Oh, Flip, can someone revive me? I'm upstairs.
Alright, I'll do it. I'll do it.
I got him.
I'm up on the deck.
I got him, bro.
Alright.
Yep.
We don't got borders for now.
Oh, do we need to shoot now?
Let's go.
Monkey, just keep checking for holes down there, okay? If there's no water, then just come back up and get on the wheel.
We're good.
Oh, the second deck.
Okay,
Alright.
thanks.
Alright.